Hi, this is János, this is Real Audio, and I'm shooting this selfie video now with music in the background. I hope YouTube is not butchering it that much with this phone. And I'm showing this very unusual thing because, as you see, I'm sitting in between the speakers, and this is something that only Voigt pipes can do. And I had when I had the Fostex FE204 in them, at my old place, I used to have a love seat between the speakers, and I spent a lot of my listening just sitting there, and this offers something really special, and that specialty is that it is like you are on the stage surrounded by the musicians. It's really uncanny. It's like you are part of the group, and it's a feeling like no other listening setup gives you the experience, because when you sit in the traditional sweet spot, then you are always in spectator mode, and here you can be part of the musicians. It's really, if you played with a band, or you went up on the stage and joined the band while they are playing, then you know what kind of experience it is, and it's like that. And that's what I've been doing now, and I thought that I really should share about this, because you should know it, that kind of thing is realistic. And if you have Voigt pipes, if you use the full range drivers, then that's something that is happening, and you are not getting it with other types of loudspeakers. They are not good at it. You can try it, I have tried it, and they don't give that sense that you are part of the band. It's different, not as good, but with the Voigt pipes, it's right there. So thank you for tuning in for this fun little experience. This camera angle is really weird, and no, I don't know where I'm looking at the bloody device, but it shows that my eyesight, I'm looking all over the place, and I'm not looking at the camera, I'm looking at my bloody phone the whole time, and whatever it's picking up, good luck with that. So anyway, this is not about the production value. My videos are not about production value. I'm using a simple camera to record, and this is about the message. It's 100% about the message, and I hope you get the message, and you get to experience all those things that I'm talking about. And if you are thinking about full range drivers, then this is something that you can toy with, and you can experience. Basically, you have two radically different ways to experience music. One is out in the room, and the other is being part of the band. Please like, subscribe. Bye bye.